Let's do a little tutorial on booking a class with Vagaro. So I'm going to log in as Brenda, a regular citizen, and I'm going to, let's see, did it log me in? I think so. Here we go, I'm logged in. All right, so I've got myself bookmarked already, but just in case you don't already have that bookmarked, let's find it. So we can do a search. It'll show up here, or you can just do a search. And here we are. Okay, so now we're in Celestial Sound. You can look through the About, Staff, Services, Classes, Gift Cards, and Products. There's things everywhere, but for now we're gonna go to Classes. And let's say we want to do the 2-for-1, which is happening Saturday, February 22nd. This one's a little bit different because you're getting a discount on a friend, so it's a little more complicated. So let's just say we're going to have 2 attendees. It's going to give us $50. We're saying we want the February 22nd, and we go to next. And notice up here, we have use promo code 2-for-1 upon checkout, and you can also see the whole description up here. Now I need to select my attendee, and I'm going to add a guest, but I can't add a guest because then I'll be giving you personal information. So when we go to checkout, I'm going to have to go back, but when we go to checkout, we're going to put that 2-for-1 into the checkout, okay? So just because I don't want to show you my guest, we're going to do a different one. So let's look at lunchtime gong, and let's sign up for the lunchtime gong on February 27th. At the business, 1 attendee. Go to next. This one is a $15. And here's our description. If I want to, I can do add-ons here, and you can read through those. I have those available. Let's just say I don't want an add-on right now, so I'm going to go to my checkout. And it's going to tell me my subtotal. I can keep shopping or I can continue. If there's a promo code, you would be putting it in now. So for that 2-for-1, you'd put it in now and it'd apply. And you can do other things here. Then it's going to tell you your total due at business because this is less than $40. Over $40, you would need to check out and pay right then. And then you can click book. Okay. So we're going to go to book, and it is booked. So here we have reviewed how to find a class, book a class, go through a checkout, and also a little bit about how to apply a promo code.